Vocês ouvintes, and we are here, and this is a talk. As simple as that. I just can't get the timing right. I was never into sticks and stones, so I just let me give back the lady her thing. But this lady here, I know her as Candice Corbie, but she's now Candy K.
Yeah.
You know Candy K? Who's Candy K? you just burst out into doing your own thing.
Yeah.
When did that happen, Candice? How did that?
Between last year and this year.
Decided to do a solo career.
Yeah, as a multi-genre singer.
And have you always done that, or I mean,
Well, I've been singing in bands.
Because I've only heard Parang come out of you, and,
really?
and yeah, I've never heard you sing.
No, I have another band as well, and
Serious?
we do different types of music.
And different type of music.
Yeah.
So what's the type of music you're really doing now?
Like a Caribbean pop.
Caribbean pop.
Yeah.
Just launched a new song, I understand.
Yes, and another one coming out.
Another one coming out. You're wasting time at all. What's the one that's now you're putting out now?
It's a groovy soca.
So it's groovy soca.
Yeah.
So you're actually entering the kind of the full soca vibes. Full.
Well, not full. A little bit, a mix of
groovy.
it. Yes.
Right. Song written by you, composed by you, and so on.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the concept?
It's about friendship. You know, you're having that person, you ride or die. That's the name of the song actually.
Right.
Yeah.
Personal story or?
Yes, somewhat personal. But a lot of people can relate to it.
Can relate to it.
Yes.
Can relate to it. So quickly before we take a break, this really, as I said, from ever since I've known the band, I've known Russell Corbie, who has been about this high, and now he's this high, married to this lady. And they're a kind of husband and wife team.
Yes.
That carries this band. And as I said, 25 years celebrating as a band, and this is just amazing. I'm going to get the story from Russell in a little bit, but we're taking a break. We're coming back, and when we come back, more vibes from Voces Ouvintes.